Looking for the perfect TV stand to elevate your home entertainment setup? In this video, we'll show you the best TV stands that combine style, functionality, and durability. Whether you're into sleek modern designs or need extra storage for your gadgets, we've got options for every space and budget. Let's find the ideal stand for your living room. Number 1. Furino Jaya 65-inch LED Lights TV Stand. The Furino JYA Large Entertainment TV Stand offers an exceptional balance of affordability and functionality, providing a number of high-end features at a budget-friendly price. It includes a smart mix of open shelving and closed compartments, perfect for storing gaming consoles, accessories, or other electronics. The rounded corners are a thoughtful touch, helping to reduce the risk of accidental injury. Assembly is straightforward thanks to its lightweight design and the included hardware. While the setup process is simple, it's important to note that the particle board construction supports a maximum top load of around 50 pounds. The stand is recommended for displays up to 50 inches, though we successfully used it with a 55-inch TV without any issues. For those who have a larger TV, pairing it with the best 55-inch 4K TV would work perfectly. Overall, this is a budget-friendly stand that doesn't skimp on features. It includes 2 side cabinets and middle shelves ideal for storing satellite boxes, DVD players, or decor. Plus, with a variety of color and size options available, you can choose the perfect fit for your space. We also appreciate the built-in storage, adding both style and practicality to any entertainment setup. Number 2. Ameriwood Home Carson 50-inch TV Stand. The Ameriwood Home Carson TV Stand is a stylish and affordable option, perfect for contemporary living rooms. Available in a variety of sleek colors, it's designed for TVs up to 50 inches wide and weighing up to 60 pounds. For those with larger screens, there's also a version that accommodates TVs up to 70 inches, with a weight capacity of 120 pounds. This TV stand offers both functionality and elegance, featuring 3 open shelves in the center for your electronics, with the top shelf separated by metal support tubes. Additionally, there are 2 more shelves tucked behind magnetic doors on either side, providing ample space for storing accessories and keeping your living room organized. Constructed from laminated particle board with metal accents, the unit is sturdy and stable on both hardwood and carpeted floors. The design is clean and modern, making it a great fit for a variety of interiors. Color options include black, cherry, espresso/weathered oak, graphite gray, and gray oak, giving you plenty of flexibility to match your decor. While the assembly process is straightforward, it's recommended to have 2 people for a smoother setup, as it can be time-consuming with just one. The stand also features 2 large holes in the back for basic cable management, ensuring your wires stay relatively tidy. Number 3. Walker Edison Wren Classic TV Stand. If you're seeking a TV stand that combines simplicity with functionality, the Walker Edison Furniture Minimal Farmhouse Wood Stand is an excellent choice. Crafted from high-grade MDF with a laminate finish, this stand measures 24 inches by 58 inches by 17 inches and supports TVs up to 64 inches. Its minimalist design features 4 open display shelves, perfect for showcasing photographs, artwork, or home accents. Each shelf includes a knockout space in the rear panel for easy cord management. The stand can hold up to 250 pounds and comes in a range of colors including barnwood, blackwood, charcoal, driftwood, espresso, natural, reclaimed barnwood, traditional brown, white, white oak, and whitewash. For those seeking additional features, the stand is also available in various sizes with optional electric fireplace displays. These fireplaces plug into a 120-volt outlet and can heat up to 400 square feet, adding both warmth and ambience to your space. The stand also includes 2 cubbies on either side of the fireplace, each with an adjustable shelf to enhance your storage options. Available in 16 colors, including classic black and white, or rustic wood stains, this stand provides versatility and style to complete your room. Number 4. Ameriwood Home Lumina Fireplace TV Stand. The Lumina Fireplace TV Stand stands out as an attractive and unique option, featuring a built-in LED fireplace that not only mimics the look of real flames but also provides adjustable heat, all controlled via remote. This stylish unit includes 6 adjustable shelves with glass door enclosures, offering plenty of space for electronics and decor. It's made from a combination of sturdy metal, laminated particle board, and medium-density fiberboard, MDF, ensuring durability. One of its standout features is its ability to support TVs up to 70 inches and 120 pounds, making it a great fit for your best 70-inch TV. However, the cable management system is minimal, so you may need to organize cords and accessories behind the stand. While the Lumina is certainly eye-catching and functional, the installation process is more time-consuming, requiring 2 people and basic household tools to assemble. Despite the setup challenges, this TV stand offers a truly unique LED-based fireplace design and a solid construction that provides both warmth and style for your living room. Pros: 6 open shelves for plenty of storage, sturdy design, can hold displays up to 120 pounds, can support 70-inch TVs. Cons: can be difficult to install. Number 5. Monarch Specialties White with 1-drawer TV stand. If you're ready to invest a bit more in a TV stand for your 47-inch television, the Monarch Specialty stand is an excellent choice. Available in white, dark taupe, and cappuccino, this stand offers a range of benefits. It features shelves made from heavy-duty MDF hollow board with a melamine layer, making it resistant to water and dust. This design ensures that it can be used in various settings and cleaned easily with a damp cloth or paper towel. Each shelf measures approximately 47 x 6, 5 inches, and the bottom-mounted storage provides about 1,122 cubic inches of space. The Art Deco-inspired design adds a stylish touch to any room, and the stand's durable construction means it won't fade over time. The solid silver feet elevate the stand, making cleaning underneath quick and simple. With its 3 attractive finishes and lightweight, easy-to-maintain MDF shelves, this stand supports up to 47-inch TVs and enhances any space with its sleek look. Key features: spacious bottom drawer, Art Deco-inspired design, secures 47-inch TVs, thick panel construction, Art Deco-inspired styling.